Welcome to my channel. You may use a wide range of grammatical structures. You may have an impressive vocabulary. You may have clear pronunciation that everybody understands. But for some reason, you don't seem to get the result you want when you speak in English. Perhaps you haven't mastered polite English. People think you are too direct when you speak to them. Politeness is having or showing behavior that is respectful and considerate of other people. So basically, it is treating people with respect. Politeness is very important in life. If you are polite, you are more likely to achieve your goals and get what you want. Also, people are more likely to take you seriously and deal with you in a good manner. If you are polite, people will listen and take your arguments, ideas, opinions seriously. They may even change their own behavior. While dealing with others, it is remember you don't pressure or impose to them. When you ask someone to do something, give them options which they can refuse or accept and make them feel good. They want to know that you respect their ideas and opinions and their status as an individual. To be more polite, we often use language that is indirect. Take a look at these two questions. What is your name? Could you please tell me what your name is? Both sentences are correct, but the first sentence too direct. The second sentence is indirect and also more polite. It is better to use indirect questions when you are talking to strangers and in shops, restaurants, hotels, railway stations or bus stops. There are many expressions and phrases that you can use to speak in indirect way. In this video, you will learn some most important expressions and phrases to make a polite request. Look at these examples. Could you please open the window? I wonder if you could open the window. Would you mind opening the window? It would be grateful if you could send me your price list. You notice carefully these all the sentences and learn the structure of each sentences. Could you please plus base form of the verb. Could you please open the window? Could you please give me your pen? Could you please help me? I wonder if you could open the window. I wonder if you could plus base form of the verb. The first two sentences, there is used V1 form of the verb. But the third sentence is very special. Would you mind plus ing form of the verb. Would you mind opening the window? Would you mind helping me? The last sentence, it would be grateful if you could send me your price list. The last sentence only use written English, such as to send email or letters. But the first three expressions we use for our daily life. We can learn more details about with some another examples. Look at this question. You have to leave school a bit earlier today as you have got a doctor's appointment. How would you request your teacher? Could you please allow me to leave school a bit early today? Or another expression. I wonder if you could allow me to leave school a bit early today. Another way also you can express this. Would you mind allowing me to leave school a bit early today? But the third expression is very special because there is used ing form of the verb. Would you mind allowing me to leave school a bit early today? Another example, blind man to a stranger, help me to cross the road. Could you please help me to cross the road? Or, I wonder if you could help me to cross the road. Would you mind helping me to cross the road? Look at this example. You to the counter clerk, maybe in railway station or bus stop, give me a ticket to Chennai. How can request polite way? Could you please give me a ticket to Chennai? Or would you mind giving me a ticket to Chennai? Another example, where is the railway station? How can ask in polite way? Could you please tell me where the railway station is? You carefully observe, where is the railway station? That is a question. That question changed as a statement. Where the railway station is? Could you please tell me where the railway station is? Or, I wonder if you tell me where the railway station is. Would you mind telling me where the railway station is? Look at this example. Boy to a stranger on the road, show me way to the central station. I wonder if you show me way to the central station. Or, could you please show me the way to the central station? What is your name? How can ask polite way? Could you please tell me what your name is? Or very simple way you can ask others' name, your good name please. I hope this video will certainly helpful to you to speak more politely with others. Being polite is the best manner to win others' hearts. Thank you for watching.